Okay, Akumalo Crypto here. Hi guys. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. So this is our Bitcoin update. As I have mentioned in previous videos, I have this triple combo here. Yesterday, I have presented this as an alternate count. I think it has pretty much got off the table. Perhaps not. If we measure this, it can play as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. But I think that this double bottom here that we are gonna see in another time frame, which we have almost invalidated this as a 1, 2, okay? This is an 80, 70%, and I was really counting on this going up. Quite frankly, on my Twitter, on my Twitter I have posted that I was more inclined on this count minutes before this pump here, minutes before, and I was like, oh my gosh, seriously? And then I saw this breakout here, and I was like, yes, this was my primary count. This is my primary count. Yes, we have this is not the end of the correction, though. Okay, this is just a breakout to complete this A here. That, as I have presented, this is my account. This is my primary count. A, B, C to finish this triple combo. Yes, to finish like in September or something. This is an A, B, C. Okay. It seems like this pitchfork here has contained the correction. Okay, with one tick here, one tick here, one tick here at the 5-wave structures downward. Yeah, this falling edge here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It hit here, and then we had the reaction. Okay, this is an A, at least the way that I see it. Okay. So what we should expect now? Have we completed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Maybe. Yeah. I think that if we dig a little bit deeper in different time frames, in a lower time frame, let's see if we can have. Here we have our golden cross between quotes here, because this is a really low time frame to consider this, but this is our 200 EMA and 55 EMA, so we are going up. Do I consider that this is going up to complete the wave 3 here? Perhaps. Perhaps. It's always perhaps. It's always likely. It's always, I'm sorry, not likely, but it's always, it might happen. Okay, I would count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, like that. Okay, here 4 is not in yet. Okay, so then we would have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be a 3. Yes, I think it's. Let's measure it. Yes, let's see if we can count it properly. Let me get the trend extension here. Let me project 1 through wave 2. Probably it's gonna be way, yes, like it was like 300% at least. Really extended wave 3. 300, not even 300, 400 here probably. Yes, 400 to 36. Yes, right to the tick. Okay. This is a really long extended wave 3, which is quite bullish. We have breached all this resistance. We have pretty much we have pretty much broken out those resistance. Okay, this is a really difficult zone to break because Bitcoin was quite for a long time here trying to a lot of indecision, but we have break it. We have broken it. Sorry. So should we think that we're gonna test this zone again? Absolutely. Yes, this is gonna be a support now. Okay, a previous resistance is now a support. So this is our this region here between 600 6200 and 15900. Yes, this is our this is a really difficult uh, zone for Bitcoin, at least for now. Okay, if we go back a little bit, we are gonna see that this region has been historically, as in the past of Bitcoin, it has offered support or either support or resistance. Okay, I am counting this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish this A. Have we finished it yet? Not probably, I'm sorry, but perhaps. Yes, we might have finished it here. This is an A, and then B, but I don't think it's long enough. So that's why I think we have this one leg, 4, and then 5 we finish A. Then we're gonna correct 50% of this whole wave. Okay, that's what I am counting on now. I am thinking about this is how I am counting my short here. So let's see what we have here in this. I'm sorry. So here we have again this sideways movement, as it's often the case for Bitcoin. Yes. Are we gonna label this as a bullish flag? Yes, it seems like it, right? Lower lows and lower highs. Okay, like I'm forcing it too much, like a bullish flag, perhaps. It wouldn't be a surprise at all. We would have our wave 4 here, and then we would have a final leg to complete our wave 5 within our wave 3. This would be like here, and we'll have our wave 3. Then it would retrace to. Let's first measure this wave 3. Let's use our Fib retracement tool. 1, 2. I think this is our 2 here, down to 5800 almost. 3. We have what seems to be 33-60% retracement thus far. We might get to 38-20% or not. We might just break this pattern up. It's okay. Remember, a good zone for retracement. Not, I don't like to use good zone. The common zone for retracements. The common zone of retracement for waves 4 is between 30, 20, and 50%. And so we might see an A, B, C here. Remember, we have a B, C here structure. So A, B, and C. Put a different color here. So can we count 5 waves down here? I think not yet. No, not yet. We might touch 38-20%, then we might have a bit of correction, a bit of a reaction, and then we go down like a wick down here, almost touching 50%, and then we will have a reaction. Based on what we have seen for Bitcoin, that wouldn't be uncommon. That would be what that would be surprise me at all. Uh, are we gonna break this down and go lower? Not for now, at least as I see the count. Okay, we might. Everything is possible. Everything is on the table. Okay, uh, but I think that we should consider that we are going up now, at least for the present being, for the moment. Okay, this line here that I have drawn, that was a resistance in the RSI, more than 30 minutes, but 1 hour. This is now acting as a support for the RSI. I'm sorry, it's slowly. Now it's working as a support. Here we have breached it. We have broken the support. See, to have almost invalidate this 1-2 count that I have proposed, and then we have recovered. Now we are going to use this as a support. I'm sorry. Okay, and then we don't have a lot of room to go. Okay, then we are gonna do. It should break it in a. It must, I would say, must break it down here when we have this. The moment we have this wave 4 is the moment that we are gonna break this RSI resistance here. Okay, and then we will have finished wave 3 like here. Perhaps time frame. I wouldn't consider the time. The, 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 the points in time that I'm considering here, because I'm not using pitchfork or anything here. I'm just estimating. Perhaps in 2 days we will finish wave 3, or perhaps we're going to have a really straight line up to the region of 600, 6,700, 6,800. I don't know. Perhaps we might see those prices again. Okay, I think that this is the best count that I came up and I don't think that we're gonna have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a rather simpler view of this correction. It's the same triple combo, WX, YXZ. It's not different. Well, here I have my pitchfork. I wouldn't consider this count unless we start really going down. Okay, then of course we need to put this back on table. Okay, and I will need to reconsider this count here. I would need to see what is this one. This can easily, this wave here, okay, this structure here, we can easily label this as ABC. Yeah, A, B, C. It's symmetrical. It's not that strange. A, B, C, and then we would have a 1, 2, 3, but then we have this. So it's as often it is for Bitcoin, it's difficult to count. It's not gonna be easy because it's all the other analysts are seeing what we are seeing. So we need to remember that we are in a sort of a competition. Not a sort of, but a real competition. Who is gonna win? I would like that everyone was here to make a lot of money. This is what happens often in bullish markets. It's easier to make money, but it's not the case in bearish markets. What is the case for Bitcoin now? Okay, this not a lot of update, but as I said, as I have mentioned earlier, I have posted this count here in my previous video. I have posted uh, alternate counts, but I think that this is my main count now. Again, this was my primary account, but I am more inclined to consider this as a real possibility now. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have. Let's see how it's gonna play in the next few days, tomorrow, and when the next week starts, Monday. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention, for your for your interest in my channel. If you like it, please subscribe, and I'm gonna keep updating this with Bitcoin analysis. In the future, I plan to do analysis on different actives in different stocks, perhaps for forex and different crypto coins. But for now, I'm gonna focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is controlling everything. Everything is based on Bitcoin price. Price fluctuations is always price fluctuations in Bitcoin is gonna affect all the other altcoins. So that's why we should focus on Bitcoin, at least for now. So again, thank you very much, and enjoy your trades. Bye.